करूया का? इथे बघायचं. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? So we are going to do a slightly different video because I have a special guest here. This is my mom and she's super conscious about being on camera. But yes, they are visiting us for 2.5 months, 2 months, 10 days. And she used to cut my hair all the time when I was a kid. And I used to end up with really short hair, much shorter than what I wanted. She has taken professional classes though, right? Tu classes ke liye leti?
Yeah.
But she would start cutting from one side. It would end up higher on one side. Then she would try to adjust the other one. That would end up slightly higher. So then eventually I would have really, really short hair. But I wanted to cut my bangs for a while now. They usually are much shorter, around my nose length, and I initially thought I would cut them myself, but that never happened. So I thought that since she's here, she might cut them for me. So we're gonna give that a try. She still thinks it's funny, but let's see how that ends up being.
Yes.
I don't have much professional haircut stuff, though I have a few things. I have professional looking hair clips to hold my hair back, pair of scissors. These are pretty sharp. They are from IKEA, but they are pretty sharp because they're new. This was kind of a professional hairbrush, but it's broken now. But I thought she could still use it to comb my hair and then part them using the stick. And a basic hair clip. So let's get started. Let me set up. We are in my kitchen right now because I thought the hair cleanup would be much easier here. And I don't have any other stuff, you know, the apron and things. So let's get started. So I have decided to pin some paper from Sephora that comes with Sephora packaging onto myself. So usually what I tell the hairdressers that I go to is I want about this much hair. There's always a confusion, by the way, okay? And anytime I go to the hairdresser, there is a confusion because they don't agree with my haircut. And I don't like to do anything else with my hair, like style them. So I just want it standard. So I want it cut about my lip length. वरती इव्हन आहे का? असं सरळ लाईन झाली आहे का इथे?
हो.
इथे सरळ लाईन आहे? चष्मा घालून करते का?
नको.
कर की चष्मा.
चष्मा लांबचा आहे. जवळ लागत नाही. तू काय करते? साधना कर.
साधना नाही, पण बँग्स बेसिकली. इथे लहान असतात माझे आणि basically I have my hair short here, then it usually tapers down. I don't want to do all that fancy business. Whatever. दूसरी clip दे. This is very approximate. Usually I cut my hair almost at nose level. I'm keeping it slightly lower so that in case things go wrong.
हे नको आहे काही करते.
Huh?
इकडचे नको.
नकोच ते. Okay. केस ओले बिले करायचे आहेत का?
कसे तुला सरळ पाहिजे आहेत का काय?
हां, सरळच पाहिजे शक्यतो ओठाच्या लेवलला. अगं ओठाच्या लेवलला परत एक
इकडचं थोडं खाली.
ओठाची लेवल
नाही पण ती तिकडची हे झाली ना.
अजून लहान नको करू.
नाही
आता इव्हन नसेल तरी लहान करू नको. या साईडचा इव्हन आहेत का? wearing a lipstick was a bad idea because all the hair is not stuck.
चिकटलं का जायचं?
लिपस्टिकला चिकटले सगळे जाऊन.
हो का? हे घे.
Okay, let's see. Ow. I don't like these hair clips because they always get stuck. So I've cut quite a bit, quite a length. 3 inches almost. Okay. Can you guys see it?
That's nice.
All right. So
How
that's what
looks Pallavi?
So,
कसं वाटतंय तुला?
it feels a little bit short, but it'll do. I want to get my rest of my hair cut eventually anyways, but it's so difficult to get appointments at Ulta that I wanted at least the bangs cut. But yeah, so they are going to be here for another 2 months. So if you guys have any other questions for them about me, my dad is here too, for my mom and dad, or what kind of videos you would like to see with them, please leave them in the comments below, and yeah, we'll try to make those happen. Okay, thank you again for joining me. I know it wasn't a full haircut, but at least, you know, my bangs are done. I don't have the daring to have her cut my entire hair. I get layers done too. That's also another thing. She usually cuts hers straight. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a giant thumbs up. Thumbs up? Yeah. Thank you again for joining us. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.